ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಜೊತೆ ಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ಮೈನ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು NIR ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರಣ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೈನ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದರು, ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ NIR ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟು ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10-15 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಹೇಗೆ continuously it has been sliding down over the years, and today where we have come almost to the bottom if you compare, and whereas the other smaller states like Telangana, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, they have all, because of their good policies, they have gone ahead in the production as well as exports. So what we requested the government is number of quarries. Today we have come down to hardly 200 quarries, and our revenue has also dropped down to 70 crores. Whereas if you compare with Rajasthan, they have more than few thousand quarries, and their revenue is about 850 crores. So now thousands of applications are pending before the government. Renewal of quarries have not been done for the last 4-5 years. If these two issues are sorted out, the number of leases are issued, the royalty can go up 4 to 5 folds. So that is the benefit for the government. And then we can create job opportunities in the rural areas. What we use is skilled and semi-skilled and unskilled people also, mostly in the rural areas. And also the processing industry, which has been set up in Karnataka based on these quarries, they have been working only at 50% their capacity because of the shortage of raw material. So this once the quarries start working, the processing industry also will prosper. There will be more and more industries coming up in our state. So these are two of the main issues that we have taken up. Royalty government has already reduced and made tonnage basis. So we thank the government for that. And whatever problems were raised by the stakeholders, everything was very positively answered by the secretary and also the director. So I think all in all it was a very good seminar. Many issues were discussed, and we are very positive that we will have a very good outcome from this seminar. Thank you.
As a FICCI President and our General Secretary, Mr. Krishna Prasad, mentioned all the points. We had a very successful seminar, and the main issues were discussed: how to bring back Karnataka into #1 position, what we had earlier. In that respect, we were requesting the government to grant as much as possible all the pending applications for leases, which will help the state exchequer on revenue, and the rural employment will increase at least 100 times. So these are the main issues which we have, and I must mention here that Government of Karnataka has already done an amendment, an industry-friendly policy, wherein bringing the Rajasthan model of collection of royalty in tonnage. So that's a very welcome aspect, as far as the Karnataka quarry owners across the state are very happy, and they also want. They are requesting the government to also suitably amend all the other industry-friendly policies.
Keshav Murthy, President of Karnataka Granite Quarry and Stone Industry, and I am also part of the Federation of Indian Granite and Stone Industry. I am an EC member there. This seminar has given a wonderful platform today between the industry and the government. And today our industry's hope has increased with the good interaction between the government and the industry. This is a very welcome issue for everybody. So as far as the issues are concerned, yes, we are all saying that Rajasthan is #1 today, but Karnataka has more resources than, little bit more than Rajasthan. Yes, Rajasthan has given all industry policies, And now Government of Karnataka also has brought in that in the southern states. Government of Karnataka is the first state to bring in the royalty collection on tonnage. So this is also a welcome, and we are also asking for other industry friendly policies to be amended, which is in the pipeline, and we are in continuous discussion with the government, and it was supposed to happen, but unfortunately it has got delayed because of the change in government, change in ministry, etc. All this, it is all in the pipeline. And today, with the interaction with the Principal Secretary and the Director, Government of Karnataka, Mines, is a wonderful thing. They've all assured us that we will look into it, we will have the same kind of interaction, and we will give a positive this thing on we are open for discussions, and we will give industry-friendly policies.
We have quarry. Last 45 years we are operating, but our association today made seminar, FICCI and Karnataka Quarry Owner Association, both together. So today gathering also very good. All the officials from the Department of Mines and Geology, direct also assured in good way. All the quarry owners are very happy, and our secretary Pandey also is given assurance for in future they will give good support for lessees.
So actually, sir, in this seminar, what was the main subject was?
You see, what are the difficulties facing by the quarry owner? All the problems they told before the director and secretary and our government officials, all district level, all officials come for this seminar. They told all the problems. They assured director and secretary, both are assured, so they do in favorable for lessee.